Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So Terry doesn't know that I'm taking a video. Hey Terry.
Hey.
So anyways, he's over here on top of this ladder on a Solitude, and he's resecuring and resealing the screw cover molding that's on there. So you can see he's scraping it and wiping it down. We use the spray bottle that he has in your hand. Hey Terry, can you show us that spray bottle? This is a pump spray bottle that you actually pump up and down, and we put the Cosmo inside that. Then he can spray it as he's doing right there, and spray it to clean up the coach. And so he's wiping down that molding after he's already resecured it, and he's getting ready to go back and reseal it. This particular unit, we're going to be removing that slide out topper here in just a little while. The topper is actually way too long for the room, and it's causing the arms to rip loose. And then the back end of it back here is actually hitting and rubbing, making contact with the main awning. So stay tuned for that. We'll catch that on video here later today and get it all squared away. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't joined our Grand Design RV Facebook group, we encourage you to do so. I think we have now, I don't know, maybe 300 plus or 400 videos on Grand Designs of just normal maintenance and repairs, tips and tricks and things to help you. Everything from frame issues to just basic maintenance. So check it out. If something we can help you with, let us know, and have a great day.